guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm so excited. We're doing glow in the dark baking soda nails. Don't come for me because I'm really excited. Let me put my little look. We are going to be doing some baking soda nails. We're going to be mixing baking soda with glow in the dark powder, which I went to Dollar Tree. And you guys, I don't mean to yell at y'all, but when I say do not walk, run to the Dollar Tree, baby, if you don't listen to me, I don't know who you're going to listen to. I really don't. Because when I tell you guys, actually, you know what? Not all these bags have what I bought nail glue, which I don't know if they're not selling my nail glue anymore or this hack, because I know on TikTok, the hack went viral on TikTok just a little bit ago or yesterday. I can't find my glue. And you know what? In my head, I was saying to myself, I'm like, Christina, buy all the glue that you can, because once you put this out and if it does go viral, you're not gonna have no nail glue. Baby, there ain't none. I have no nail glue. Y'all done took it all, and this is how I do my nails, and y'all done took it. Like, but it's okay. We're working with this. Y'all already know it's not my favorite. It's not brush on, but we still gonna work with it. We're gonna do what we gotta do because it's nail glue, and I did get a lot. And don't at me. Don't come for me. Don't say, oh, you took it all. Yes, I did. Because if I don't take it, y'all gonna take it, and then I'm not gonna be able to do my nails. But I got a lot of nail glue. Do not at me. Don't at me, because I will delete it. I will delete you and block you. I don't care. I will delete you and block you. No cares. But I also got a nail duster brush, because this one right here is just getting gunky. Ooh, okay. It's just getting gunky and I'm not for it. So I got two of these, which are really cute. They're like the Disney villains nail brushes. Okay, come through. So that is super cute. Oh, this is, hold on, this looks like it's breaking. The little specks of hair is coming out. This is just real quick, you guys. I'm sorry, I don't mean to like hog up the camera or anything, but I wanted to show you because the Dollar Tree actually has like chrome, and I've seen at the that's more nail glue. Don't come for me. Come for me. The Dollar Tree has glow in the dark nail polishes, and I was like, glow in the dark nail polishes? What do you mean? What are you talking about? What are you getting at? So I got the striping one, and then I got this one, but I'm gonna actually do this in another video. Today I'm actually gonna mix the powders together because I want to see if they actually work. This is more nail glue, and then I got cups so I can dip my nail in the baking soda, because that other one was just not it. It was not working. And then in this bag, oh, I went to Walmart too, so I wanted to show y'all what I got from Walmart. I did find a brush on nail glue. This one, they used to have it at the Dollar Tree, or one similar to it, but I don't know how come they don't have it, or maybe mine was just out of stock. And then they had this for $5 at Walmart, so I was like, oh, let me pick one of these up, because that would be really nice to show. But we are doing our nails in this video. Don't worry, I'm not going to be talking too much. So I got that. And then I got this brush, this nail brush kit, this nail brush kit. But y'all, I literally found, so I'm going to show you the nail tips that I found first. Y'all already know I need to get more nail files. These are my favorite nail files. And I got so many back here, but this hack is going to take over, and I'm not going to have it. But I just thought these airbrush nails, and these nails were just really cute, so I wanted to pick them up, and maybe we could do a little hack with those. And also, these are so cute. So I got a few of them, few of these, y'all. These right here, like, see, it has like the nail art on it already. So I was thinking that was just super cute. These are like little stars. I don't know if y'all can see it. Little stars. And I liked this little marble one. I just wanted to pick up a few just to see kind of how they would come out. So I got some of those too. What I'm most excited about and what I really wanted to show y'all really quick in this video to see if y'all wanted me to do it. I was going to do it today in this video, and I probably still will, but they have chrome powders and nail art. And this is from Ioni Nail Club. And they're literally just blue and then green. And I thought that was just so cool. And then this glitter. But Ioni is coming new. Ioni? I hope I'm saying that name right, because I don't want to mess up the company's name. But let's get into this video. Let's do our nails, because I've been talking for like 7 minutes. I don't think I'm going to leave everything in there. But either way, we're going to get into doing our nails. I just want to show you a little haul that I got from Dollar Tree. Just to show you guys just a different, like how I go into the Dollar Tree and how I like really set my mind into. I just buy it. I buy it and then I figure out what to do with it later. So let's get into this video. I love y'all so much, and we'll see you in the upcoming videos, of course. All right, you guys, I'm just gonna mix in some baking soda. And some of this glow powder. I'm just gonna mix in a little bit. Not that much. And we're gonna see if this works. All right, you guys, I'm gonna go in and mix up this powder together just so that way it can be very well blended. You also want to sit it under a UV light. Now my UV light is from the Dollar Tree, so I'm just going to sit it underneath there for probably the whole time I'm doing my nails until I have to dip, just so that way it can activate that glow in the dark powder. Now I did get that glow in the dark powder from Amazon, and I think it was about $4 or $5. I'm not too sure. You can probably find it cheaper on Amazon or eBay as well if you want to do these glow in the dark powder nails and just use some baking soda. So I'm just going to prep my nails and go in and find the nail tips that fit me. And these are where are they from? The Dollar Tree. I'm pretty sure these are the Sassy and Chic nail tips, or Beloved nail tips. Let me put it that way, because I think they changed their name. I've been looking for these nail tips, but I can't find them anywhere, so I'm very sad. But these are all the leftover nail tips that I always put in this little baggie every time I use them. And then this is the nail glue that I got from the Dollar Tree earlier, and the one from Walmart. I'm going to be trying out both of them and see which one I like. The one from the Dollar Tree dries super fast, so I was really scared to use that with the baking soda, because sometimes I have to go in and clean up the baking soda. But I will probably use it in these next couple of videos just to see how the baking soda and this glue would react. You guys already know I got this nail clipper from the Dollar Tree. If you've seen my previous videos on my Dollar Tree haul, then you guys know that I got that. I'm going to go in with my Sassy and Chic nail file and just shape them up and put them in the shape that I want. I'm kind of doing like a bulky square kind of look, where it's not narrow square, but kind of like bulky. I don't know how to say it. They just look nice and thick. I wanted them really thick, and I also wanted them to glow in the dark because y'all, it's Halloween. Happy Halloween. Hi, how are you guys? I love y'all so much. What are y'all gonna be for Halloween? Are y'all going out? Are y'all gonna go hang out? Let me know. I want to know. But either way, I'm just gonna go in and shape these up really nice. And then after I get the desired shape that I want and length that I want, I cut the thumb a little bit too short, but either way, it still looks cute, so I'm not worried about it. But don't come for me if you see that it is way too short. I know, I've seen it. I'm looking at it. I get it. But once I get done with this, I'm just going to go in with the glue and the baking soda with the glow-in-the-dark pigment inside. And like I said, I'm always going to start from the free edge to the cuticle, you guys, especially when they're longer. When they're shorter, you can start from the middle. So just keep that in mind. When they're long, free edge to the cuticle. And that's the way you want to go, so that way you can build up a nice apex. You could do them as thick as you want. I wanted these to be really, really thick, so I went in with a bunch of coats. And you guys already know I did not
go in and do all of my nails because I do not want this to be repetitive for you guys or you guys get bored. So I'm just doing one nail and I just start from the free edge and I just go building up all the way to the cuticle, and that is just how I do it. I'm also going to show you how I shape them on here. Now shaping does take a little bit longer. This takes a little bit longer as well, but hey, it's only $1.25. Probably a little bit more. I think you'll spend less than $10 on some nails, but it does come with a price, and that price is it will take a long time to do them. It probably takes me 20 to 30 minutes to do one hand. So if I was to do the other hand, which I have a video coming out on how you guys can do your non-dominant hand super easy, which I'm really excited to show you guys, but how you do your non-dominant hand. So definitely stay tuned if that is something that you want to see. I'll probably have that video coming out very soon for y'all, so y'all can know how to do both hands. It's super easy, I promise you guys. You guys can do it, I promise. So yeah, right here I'm just shaping the nail. This takes me a while, so I don't show the whole thing, but y'all, when I say that it takes me a while, because they do come out lumpy and you want them to be really, really smooth. And I am a perfectionist, so I will shape these until I can't shape them no more, until they're super, super smooth, and buff them. You want to make sure you buff them. Then I'm just going to go in with a Kiss gel top coat. This actually does not require the UV lamp, but when I tell you that it looks like gel, it looks like gel. Like you could put 2 coats on and it literally looks like a gel polish. Kid you not. But I'm just going to go in and activate that glow in the dark powder one more time just so it can glow, and this is how they came out. I love them so much, and y'all, that top coat is so bomb. Now I do have to apply the top coat a few times, but don't tell nobody. Okay, bye. Love you guys.